A Sullivan City woman says she has lost sleep and hope due to noisy neighbors and a loud goat. CBS 4's Patrick Chalvier has the story.
By now, you've probably seen videos like this. And as funny as it may be, Belia Cavazos isn't laughing. The Sullivan City resident says she's been unable to sleep because of the constant screaming and screaming. But it isn't just a goat. Most recently, her neighbors, she says, have taken to blasting music late at night.
Sometimes you can't even hear who's what because all different ones.
The lack of sleep and increased stress has affected her mentally and physically. She was recently diagnosed with high blood pressure, something she attributes to the years of stress over the noise. We tried to speak with the owner of one of the goats, but no one answered the door. Asked to explain themselves, the goats were silent for once. Belia says she's called police, but it only seems to make things worse.
We called the cops and it went worse. He brought more trucks and they opened the doors, full blast. My cousin said, we shouldn't have called. It gone worse, and they don't help us.
As the western part of Hidalgo County continues to grow, the once rural area is becoming more urban. However, signs of farm life remain. Sullivan City does have a noise ordinance in place, but it doesn't cover daytime noise or livestock animals, which is why earlier this month, residents, including Belia, took to City Hall in hopes of amending the ordinance.
They have received citations and they've paid citations. Now, what they're requesting the City Council is for you to amend the ordinance to include hours during the day.
Belia admits things have gotten better recently. She's been able to catch up on rest. Her family life is getting back on track, but at times, she still finds herself in a battle with her neighbors.
Lower the music, that's all I want. Lower the music, and if they want to have animals, take care of them.
In Sullivan City, Patrick Chalvier, CBS 4 News and ValleyCentral.com.
Sullivan City leaders say they are still looking into what can be done, if anything, in regards to the noise and the animals.